service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm for Henry County, Bureau County, Rock Island County, Putnam County, Eastern Mercer County, until 4:45 a.m. At 3:45 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Cleveland, or near East Moline, moving east at 55 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Moline, Rock Island, East Moline, Kewanee, Princeton, Cambridge, Hennepin, Silvis, Geneseo, Spring Valley, Milan, Kelowna, LeClaire, Cole Valley, Galva, Burgess, Hampton, Orion, Gatineau, and Port Byron. This includes the following highways: Interstate 80 in Illinois between mile markers 1 and 72. Interstate 74 in Illinois between mile markers 2 and 3. Interstate 88 between mile markers 1 and 10. Interstate 280 between mile markers 13 and 18.